Hi, my name is Bhuvan Kumar. I am from Andhra Pradesh, Visakhapatnam. I completed my graduation in Btech Computer Science Engineering. After my graduation, I joined into the Qspiders in the month of October. I took software testing course and I learned manual testing, automation testing, Java, Selenium, manual testing taught by Akil sir and Java taught by Praveen sir and Selenium taught by Nandiniam and SQL taught by Vaibhav sir. These all trainings helped me a lot gaining the real-time examples and real-time scenarios-based questions. They helping me a lot in gaining the real experience in the interview. That's why I cracked the interview, and they teach me how to be in the perfect, and it helped me a lot for the communication skills as well as technical skills. I am very much thankful for the placement team and HR team that they supported me a lot and they added me to the requirements, and whatever the requirements came, they added me, and I got placed in the